Hi everyone, this is Mohini. I am the student of English Mania, and today we got a topic for discussion that which is more important, money or relationship. And we are favoring at that money is important than relation.
Money is more important.
Money is more important than relation
Because it is comparative.
because it is comparative. That because if we think about any situation, then money is there, then everyone is favoring us. But if money is not there, everyone is opposing us. That's why what I believe that money is more important than relationship.
Yes, Mr. Mohind.
Our you mean money is important, but not as much as relationship, because you can purchase home. You can purchase home by money, but you can't purchase home. Like if you have money, I think if you don't give respect to your distant relative, then I think they will not talk to you. If you give them respect, then they will talk to you. But you have money, too much money, it doesn't matter. Okay, and you can purchase everything, but you can't purchase happiness. Okay, because I have seen many people and they have car and they have luxury life, but still they are not happy with them their life. My uncle is also, because they have government job, still he is not happy because of his wife. Okay, so there is, according to me, money relationship is more important as compared to money.
Okay, now as you said that when you have money, still you are unhappy. And one point you also added that money cannot buy happiness. First thing is, what is happiness? When you get something which you desire, you can buy all the thing by money. Okay, so you will automatically, when someone will offer you black BMW, won't you be happy? Obviously. And the second case you added is that the people who already have money, I will not say it is the fault of money. I will rather call it the mismanagement of the money. Maybe he is not managing the money properly. That's why.
Maybe, yeah, according to me, because you said that.
Okay, someone will ask that you should leave your parents, you should leave your home, then I will give you BMW. So you will leave or not?
Yes, I will leave.
No, this is not fair in my views, because you can buy everything with your money, but happiness and comfortability with it is responsible with your parents and with your relatives also.
Are we seeing it in the present society? No. Already it has happened in the world. Now it is happening in India. Okay, it's not like I am completely leaving my parents. It's like they are living in another home and I am living in another home with my BMW. Simple case.
No, in my views, money is responsible for everything, but relation is responsible in every field, because in relationship love is not important. In relationship, respect and also so many trust is responsible. So in my views, we cannot buy trust also, we cannot buy respect in that case.
I think we can buy respect, trust and all that thing.
But
No.
only in a very bad way. You know that in ancient times so many kings were there, but at that time no one was trustfully. So how we
Trustworthy.
As you said,
no one
as you said
I
about
am asking.
what are
Yes, no one was trustworthy. So at that time so many rulers were died.
Many rulers had died.
So many rulers had died at that time only for trust.
Okay, as you said, because of your explanation because that rulers had died at that time, not because of money, because of relationship they died. They died because they had relationship with the rulers and with their king, and they just
They just cheated.
they cheated them because of relation.
They deluded them.
They deluded them because of relation, not for money.
Yes, because of relation. In that relation, money is important, because rulers.
So that's why money is more important. If they have more money, then
Because empires was there and they wanted to become a great emperor.
Firstly, they made relation because of money. The king had more power, more money at that time. That's why he was ruler.
Don't they make relation? They already had relations
As
also.
you have said that they want to build great empires. Okay, what do you think? Will relationships make the great empire? I can agree on the fact that some tiny empires, tiny states can be added to your empire. But when you have to conquer bigger empires, obviously you will need military and all the assets which money can only buy, not the relationship.
Yes, if you really want to become a great empire, then there is a relation is very important, because in relation trust. And in to start the empire, trust is very important
Okay.
by relationship.
When we see the case of British Raj Empire, not British Raj Empire, British Empire, was there any trust?
Yes, it is very important. At that time, trust was very important because at that time only Indian rulers was sir dhokebaz were deceivers.
Deceivers, cheaters.
Yes, were deceivers at that time. That's why English East India Company was ruling in India only for rulers because trust was not there.
So because of the deceivers.
Yes.
No, as you have said that relationship and trust
Like
is
Jachand.
This is a different means. I think.
No, what is the different meaning?
No,
So many Indian
they,
rulers who
they were
want money.
they were not deceivers. They, because of not money. As you are saying, because of money they were deceivers. How can you say?
Because they wanted to
What?
They wanted to do what?
they wanted to increase our empire.
Why?
No, first point, you have said that to build great empires.
Yes.
Okay, relationship is more important
Yes.
than money, and you also added that trust is also important. Okay, can you tell me which kind of trust was there between British Empire and India? British got 200 years of empire here. So which kind of trust, and who were the two parties that had a kind of trust between them? Can you
There
tell?
were so many parties at that time who
Was it
gave
a
so
trust
many
or
knowledge to India, of India to East India companies and so many Britishers. That why Britishers came India at that time and they settled so many companies in
So
India.
was it trust?
Yes, it is trust because
Or
so
treaties?
many at that time rulers were not rulers did not know about this, but his sir Senapati.
That commander.
Yes, but his commanders knew everything at that time, so that's why.
No, they were not. This was not trust. This was treaty. Simple treaties were there. And when the local rulers were not, ready to bow in front of Britishers by trust, so they were make treaties with them. And most of the treaties were yes, and most of the treaties were unfair. Okay, but can you tell me anything that makes trust and relationship more important in building an empire?
Yes, I am asking that only. There was one ruler Akbar. There were so many deceivers at that time at her ruler time. At his
During his regiment.
yes, during his regiment there were so many deceivers. But only because they wanted to increase her empire.
So why are you losing your trust on yourself? Speak that.
Yes.
It was a trust. If you suppose that if you don't trust anyone, then I think you will not enter. You will not let them enter in your state, in your city. I think in your country, because you trust on them. That's why you let them enter.
The day you will trust on someone, you are writing by yourself in your fate that you will be deceived one day. You can see from any case, you will be deceived one day.
Yes, I can see every day this case. Listen, my parents trust me a lot, and if only for
You
money,
deceive them, right?
and yes, I will deceive them. So what type of relation is this?
Yes,
I
what
will
kind of
become a
relation
deceiver.
is this?
So in that case, trust is very responsible in relationship.
Not
So
responsible.
we-
Use important.
Yes, it is very
Responsible is a
important.
different
So we are not talking about what is the importance of a relationship in our life. We are talking about which is more important than money.
Yes,
or
okay, relationship is very
because of money. You are with your parents. If suppose your parents will not feed you any time, so you will definitely just leave them. That what the hell you are doing with me? That you are nothing for me because you are nothing. You are doing nothing for me. You can't give anything. You can't just feed me, and you can't give me any gift more than neither just anything.
I think you will forget that how sacrifice your parents did in past also.
Yes,
How
they
many
Only
did.
can't
Yes, they have invested in hope of some return. When the age of a son is about 29 or 30, then parents will also start cursing, what the hell are you doing, man? Lying just on the bed, aren't you earning some money? And when you got married, then you will see, wife will ask you for gajra and all the, stuffs. And when you got children, then children will ask you obviously everything what
And
you.
this happens if you have money, then everything will
And
happen.
So
just
it is
visit the shop.
justified. It is justified to do this. This is your
We are-
to do this. Your parents.
We are not saying that it is justified or not.
Listen.
Look at the note.
Listen, at the age of 80 years, your parents need too much. So if someone will get you money, so you can leave your parents at that time. You can leave your parents at that
Even
time.
parents think that the children will be at the age of 18 or 20.
At the age- your
he or
parents
she,
are not 80 age.
they also think about these things. That he or she
Parents
will.
clearly think that when you turn around 21 or 22, just get a job
Yeah.
and go and do that job.
Yes.
Okay, first thing is that. And second one is that, as you have said, 80 years old mother, if I will not have money and just a relationship with my old mother of 80 years old, will you really think will I be able to care her?
Just let me tell you. Just you know that if you are if your age is 18 and 20, doesn't matter, because if you want to, because your father is not rich, okay, your father is not rich and your father is poor, and still you want to study. Do you want to study in any college like that? And you want to say that no, I will not. I don't want to do work in any company. Just I want to study. Then I think, how will they manage? I don't know, but they will manage money for your study, and they will give you and they will admit you in any college in which you
And-
want to take admission. I can, yes, but it is a relationship, okay. But apart from your father, if your uncle, I can say that if your uncle, it would be over there, he will not admit you, because not too much heavy relationship between your uncle and between you, but between you and your father there is a heavy relationship important.
As you have said that he will buy, I know he will buy, but in hope of what? In hope of return. First thing is that, and second one, listen. Okay, second one is that you can.
Okay, then as he said the same thing, I want to just add this point that because of their spending money, because of his study, why?
No,
Because
and
of
no.
only just returning, because there is a hope between them.
You will not give
See,
them anything.
First let me
If you
complete.
will not
Let
return,
me
then you
complete.
will
Let me
you will be
complete.
happy.
Let me complete.
Let him let her complete.
Okay, the first thing they will think that after his study, after completing his study, definitely he or she will get job. Then we will take a lot of money by him. That's why, and we can manage each and everything by his job
Okay.
also.
Do you know
If
that-
it's not about return, as you are saying, giving me the case, and if this case is not about the return from the son or daughter, then if I will ask a private jet, private jet just like the college, good college is once again out of the hand of my father, will he buy? No, he will not buy, because he does not see any kind of return from it. He wants return, okay?
No, they want. Do you you want to say that they want return? Okay, sometimes.
If he is talking about father, so use the term he.
Sir. Okay, sir. And according to me, they don't want return.
I
because
said not they, he.
he doesn't want return. Okay, only and when he admits you in any college, and he also says that if you get job, okay, doesn't matter, and you can spend your money on yourself. Okay, you don't have to give me. And I have seen many children, and I also say, my father said to me many times, okay, just you have to earn on, you have to spend your money on yourself. Okay, whatever you do with from your money, I don't care.
See,
Okay,
it depends on time. Saying is other thing and doing is other thing.
doing
That-
is not
yes.
another thing,
It
because
is
you
another-
can't give them anything, because they gave you everything. They gave you because they admitted you in the college and they gave you
Hope,
study.
there is a
In-
hope between them.
Hope is, according to hope is also there, because they admitted you in very good college and they spent according to their whole money. Their whole
Why
money.
they are doing it?
When in childhood age you can't do anything. Still, if you are not studying, they will.
Because I was unable to do anything. That's why I didn't do.
So at that
Like,
time,
not
they are
after 5 or 6 age. You can work in any shop.
See, they gave birth to me. Why? Because of their happiness. They gave birth to me.
So,
and why? Because they were thinking at that time then definitely she will do anything great, and our name and fame will be more after some time. That's why they give
So suppose that if you don't get job, if
And
you don't
there is a
get
job.
if you
There
don't
is a
get
job
good job,
also.
if you don't get good job, and if you don't work in a good company, then if you are not
Then they
earning
will
too
say-
much,
They will say, they will abuse me also.
they will
Like
not
that.
abuse you. How can you say that? I have seen many, I have seen many sons and they abuse their father.
I have seen so many
Listen.
examples.
Okay, when we talk about money in relationship, you know, we always tend to focus on emotional aspects of it, just like parents. Okay, now this debate will continue to, you know, and will endlessly go on. Okay, now can we focus on more relationships? Okay, as you have said, father relationship. Can we focus on countries' relationship with each other, friends' relationship with each other,
Yes.
and the relationship of other with. And one more thing, we are not talking about the mutual relationship. We are talking about what is more important. Okay, listen, relationship or money. And now we have to see it in every aspect of human life, whether it's social, political, regional, whatever it is. Can we think what is more important for country? Relationship or money? Now tell.
Just okay, just suppose that
For a country.
if I talk about friendship, just
Country.
let me tell you friendship, because there is a between relationship, because friendship according to me relationship is over there. Okay, between friendship, suppose if you fight with someone, you have money, if you call, then you think that and you can be beaten. Okay, but you think that I have money, so I can hire anyone. Okay, then I think they got to know that, and they got to know that, and there can be fire over there, and I think it can be over there. They will not come. But when you will call your friend, and when will you will call your brother, and when they will hear about it, they will come definitely.
Okay.
Just because of the relationship. Okay.
Listen, first thing I would add to your this condition is that only the stupid people will come. I know them. It happens. You will always find hooligans in the streets. Okay, in this kind of fight, you will not find a literate and a rich and a wealthy person in this fight. You will not. And second thing, listen, no, you always try to divert the topic on by creating particular cases. And I think we should focus on general cases. Do not create conditions. Okay, we should focus on general things. Friends condition. Okay, you are creating cases. So we are not
When we create any case, when any case happens, then you will get to know that about money is more important or relationship is more
This is
important.
not about
Also you
the-
said
Yes.
that, listen, and also you said that which is more important for country. First, you will have to make a relation with other countries, then you will get a money.
Obviously.
If you are not a good relations to other countries, if you are not a good friend and good
Can I say,
relation,
okay, as you have said, first you have to create relationship. No, listen, how? First, Pakistan was a best friend of America because America saw some kind of interest in Pakistan. And what was the interest? Obviously,
Investment.
precious metals in Afghanistan. What was the interest of America and Middle East? Crude oil and all the petroleum products. Now America sees China as a possible threat. Now what does America need? Can Pakistan counter China? Obviously not, because Pakistan is already in Chinese camp. So it is focusing on India. Just take the classical example of Nepal, India and China. India and Nepal are just same country, same culture, everything is same, but still the government of Nepal is with more China because the Chinese government is providing them more. See the debt trap of China. Okay, they are investing all the day. There is no relationship, there is no friends in this world except permanent interest. And what does interest mean? It is simply money and nothing is else.
According to me, if you want to take money from someone, if you want to borrow, then I think first you will know him. Okay, you will know him. Otherwise, you can't. According to the country, if you talk about country, suppose that if Pakistan, is there any country? If you want to suppose that you are a PM, okay.
One more, knowing someone and having a relationship is a different thing. And one more thing I would like to add, we are not discussing relationships. Okay, what is the mutual relationship? We are discussing which is more important. Okay,
That's what I'm telling
listen
you.
to me. Whenever you say something, as I always give, compare money and relationship in my arguments. So you should also compare relationships and money, because you always tend to focus on relationship. I would also add that please bring money into your arguments too.
Peace.
Yes.
Peace bring money.
Please bring money also in argument, that as you are giving the example, but you are giving the example only for related to relationship, but
Yes.
not for money. Give me any example like that, which is in that example, relationship is more important
I
than.
have given many examples which you didn't hear.
You are giving the example like a friendship and father
You know, I
relationship like
think
that.
you are giving a kind of utopian
So,
example.
1 minute just. Okay, suppose that if there is anyone and he met an accident and he's lying.
This is also not
Just a minute. He's lying on the road and he's rich. But you can't get to know that he is rich. Okay. But if there's someone who knows him and
This is not
there is a
a
relationship
relationship.
between them, then
First
take.
listen, please.
He will take him to the hospital.
Listen to him.
He will take him to the hospital, and then he will take. But after that, but you are richer, but you don't know anyone, and there is no relationship between you and anyone. I
That-
think you will
listen,
die
listen,
by
okay.
laying on the street. Okay.
In your example, you are not also not favoring in our relationship.
Yes, we are also
Yes,
in-
sir.
No, this
How
is a
How do you
this is
say
a
that?
some kind of faith between that person.
I think you are not
He
able
is
to
not
understand my
faith.
example.
Yeah, as you are saying.
I
Faith,
can, we
what
can
is
define,
faith?
listen,
We are
from,
able-
okay, we can define money, okay, from our point of view, what is money, we can particularly define it. Can you define what is relationship? And
Yes,
please,
we are also
listen,
defining.
no, I am not interrupting you. So
You are
okay,
unable to
listen, no,
understand.
listen to
We
me,
are
I am
defining,
not
yes.
completed, I have not completed. If you will listen half, then you will answer half, then it will go on endlessly, okay. I am giving you, please, whenever you will define the relationship, do not give me examples, define it, okay. As we do not give examples, you continuously give utopian examples.
We can define any topic without example. We can't define.
Yes, please
First.
define relationship.
Yes, I defined
Just repeat
also, and
what you defined.
I
We
gave you
defined
example. I gave you so many
everything, money and
examples.
relationship in every example.
No, you do
You
not
are-
worry.
you are-
You don't need to
How to
worry
do
what
that?
is the definition of money. It's our task. You need to worry what is the definition of relationship. Okay, even if you have defined, sorry to say, but we have not listened. I think I'm sorry, and we are sorry. Please, can you repeat it again? What is the definition of relationship without giving example? Start.
Yes, first of all, we can't compare money and relationship on other sides. But relationship is very important as compared to money, because without relationship we cannot live. But with money we can live only. But without,
If he's asking for definition,
Yes.
just tell him what is relationship.
yes, I am asking that.
I'm asking you tell him.
Yes, I am.
So you have to tell.
Yes, I am telling that.
What is relationship?
So, sir, according to me, relationship is that when you know someone, okay, when there is a relationship between you and him. But I'm not talking about money. When he's sad, okay, only and he needs something, only when you know about him by seeing his face and her face. So it is a relationship, okay.
And also only for money we can live life, but a relationship is the reason to live the life.
Okay, first thing is I asked the definition of, you were giving the, the positive points of, and as he said, he has defined the relationship by using the word relationship. When we define something, we should not use the word itself in the definition. Then what will it mean? Nothing. As you have said, relationship is the kind of, is the relationship when you see someone and when they need.
There are many things in which, suppose that you are down with any disease, okay, your father and your brother, he doesn't know that you will return his money or not. I think when he will get to know about you are down with any disease, he will take you to the hospital and he will take you to the doctor, okay, then he will pay definitely. He will pay. I'm not talking about there is a relationship, okay, but it is the relationship.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
It is, but I am unable to.
I think your neighbor will not take you to the hospital, take you to the doctor, but your brother.
You know what? As
Your
you
father.
Listen, I have a point. As you have said, we have a kind of relationship with the father. There is a kind of relationship between father and a son. So my father will take me to the hospital when I fall ill. Okay, but when you have said it is relationship is present in this condition. But when I say with my neighbor, I have a kind of relationship of neighborhood. Okay, relationship is still there, but this relationship is not, allowing me to go to hospital. You can say it. Okay, it is also relationship.
But because only
Can you tell me why this relationship is not
सर
helping
वो
me?
केवल जैसे कि only they speak and they know you only, but they speak, they talk to you sometimes only,
relationship
but
is there.
relationship is not relationship as much as between your father and you. Yes.
Now there is a difference between first level of relationship and second level of. So you are saying some
Only you
relationship.
know them. But if they have, suppose that if they have work,
No.
then they will not. But your father also have work. Your father also has work. Still, he will take to you the hospital.
Okay. am I right when I say I have a kind of neighborhood relationship with my neighbors? Am I right in this?
I think little bit.
Yes, little bit. I think I am completely right. We have a relationship of neighborhood with the neighbors.
Actually, relationship is everywhere
Okay.
because we are the Indians. So I mean, there is a relationship being Indians. So that's a different case. But it comes about close and far, right? The first and second relation, third relation, fourth, like that. So first relation that you have comes between your mother and you, right? Even father comes little later after the mother. Okay, because the bonding between a mother and son is very much different. Then father comes, then comes brother and sisters, right? Because what your father and your mother would be, that your sisters and brothers can't be, right? Then the uncle and aunt and all, then their sons and children, I mean your cousins, like that. Then comes your neighbors. Then if you leave the neighbors, then comes the city, then comes the states, then comes the country. So it becomes remote and remoter, like that. But yes, the term that you use, relation, the relation, if you bring the humanity, the term humanity, then all are your relatives, because we all are humans. So like as per the humanity,
Yes.
obviously everybody has the relations with everybody. So but we are not talking about that. Fine. We as per the humanity, we say na, just as a good human, being human, you should do this for me. So relation is there. That's a different thing. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I ask you one thing? To stabilize a relationship with any new person, country or whatever it is, it's a thing. Okay, what will you need first?
What will you need first according to me when sir जब इस दुनिया का मतलब कि वो हुआ होगा
Are you not able to make in English? Make it in English.
I think जब when people in ancient time, I am talking about beginning time. Okay, at that time we didn't have money. I think we might not have money, definitely.
We definitely did not have money in the beginning.
Yes, in beginning time. So at that time, so right now you can see the population of India.
Okay.
But still over
I think
here.
you are confused once, even in the definition of money. Money is not a paper. Money is a medium of exchange to buy your commodities which are essential or even non-essential for your life.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Money. Okay, you can.
As you are saying about ancient time. So at that time we didn't have money, okay? But after some time, what firstly we need? Firstly we need
What
money.
firstly we needed?
We needed that was money, okay? Because of money we have developed so many things. Now we had
I think in ancient time, I have read that in ancient time people used to exchange anything. Suppose that and you have rice and I have wheat. I have wheat, okay. But we want to take rice from you and I will have to give my wheat to you, okay. Then
I will add one thing.
At the time when
I know there is no importance of the paper on which Mahatma Gandhi is imprinted. Okay, upon it is not important. Money is that paper is not important. The term money is important. You are talking about barter system. In that barter system, who was playing the role of the commodities that you already have were playing the role of money. Money is not. I am not talking cash is important. I am talking money. And what is money? It's something that you can give to someone and can buy. Okay, and
it can be in the form of gold.
whatever it is. Okay, I can also
If you
gold,
use the
silver.
term gold, it is also a part of money.
Yes, it is. So money was always there, even from the ancient times.
but not in a not as
Not
a,
in a,
not in
I
a
know.
note form.
Yes,
Okay?
not in a. But
Not
you
in
are
a
talking
note
about note form. I am not talking about note form. Even gold, copper, silver, leather. You can make even tree leaves money.
But the question is, which is more important? So let's talk about that. How is relation more important than money? In what cases? Can you set some examples?
Yes, sir. We gave so many examples.
So
they were just irrelevant. We gave answer also.
How can you say your question was that to make a bit what is important for country? I said that
We have discussed about this topic.
We
Just
have
give the
already-
example. Just
we have
give the
already
example.
given
Yes, I gave you all
We have
examples.
given the also
Listen,
answer.
you asked question, we give the answer, but you didn't counter a question. What does it mean? You agree, but indirectly, because you have not countered us when we give the answer. Am I wrong in this?
Give any other example.
Now you are, surrendering your
Now try to
weapons.
justify how is like relation more important than money?
Okay, we take
Or
back with
what are
the
the cases?
example of-
Don't,
okay, you
don't
can
rest your
use-
elbow like this or hand like this.
Okay, you can
Be
use the
aware.
example of Nepal, India and China
Sit
triangle.
straight, please.
Relationship is strong between Nepal and India, but where is Nepal? In the tent of China. Why? Money speaks. You know, when you have got money, there are few what do we call it, sir? Interruptions when whatever you want to do. Okay, if you have money, you can do everything well. Whenever we discuss the topic of corruption, why do people always say we do? Because we want our work to be done fast. Are you getting?
Okay, so according to me, just I have heard about it when there was a fight and there was a fight between
No.
India
I-
and
no,
between Pakistan. I think that between China. So
1962.
Rus helped us at that time.
Yes.
Okay, so because of the money.
No. Rus was not our girlfriend.
Okay, no.
I am telling you why.
There was a
Listen,
relationship,
and
I think that
no,
it can be
it
whatever.
was not our girlfriend. Okay, who has helped her because of personal interest. Why? Because the world was divided into two blocks: the Soviet blocks and the democratic blocks. And why that helped it? Because America was helping Pakistan. So Rus helped us. Why? They were using Pakistan and India to fight between them. It was not our girlfriend. First
So,
thing is that.
let me tell you that your girlfriend will not help you. Just there is one thing there. Your friend can help you, but your girlfriend will not help you.
Why?
Yes.
Why? But relationship is also there, and I will
Your
call it a
girlfriend will
close
not help you
relationship.
because
See.
I think relationships are between many divided in many things. First and second, third, fourth, like that. Okay.
Okay, so it is a fourth level of relationship. Okay, good. Have you agreed that Russia has helped because of their interest? Because-
I don't. Just I have heard. So
No,
just I
it's
told
not
you.
our heard.
As
You
he
can
gave
add-
the example that Russia helped us because of money. So are you agree or not?
So
Do you agree?
Do you agree or not?
I don't agree because
No,
Why?
the problem is that you don't agree because you are
So
using the
after-
argument that you have heard.
after finishing the fight, so did India give the money to him?
No, it's not about money. It's also about cultural dominance, political dominance, and other kind of dominance. They also matter in diplomacy.
Diplomacy, it can be everything, but at that time money was not over there. The matter of money was not over there. Okay.
Brother, I am not talking about notes. Money is a medium of exchange. It can be gold even. It can be uranium even.
And ports and anything.
Okay, when you buy what we call, 1 kg of rice. Isn't it a form of kind of something? Because you possess some assets. You have the land of 30 lakh rupees. Isn't it some kind of money? We always get, I have 30 lakh rupees. No, you do not have 30 lakh rupees in your language. But in the language of money, you have 30 lakh rupees because you have the assets of 30 lakh. It does not mean that you have to carry always luggage bag full of notes.
Okay, now because of the time constraint, let's reach the conclusion. So let me begin from Anjali. It is going to be the conclusion. Don't debate on it, right?
So in my views, my conclusion is that relationship is very important because money is very important to live the life, but relation is very important to live the life in very carefully, and in relation it is very important to be happiness. But with money we can't get happiness, and in everything we should make a good relation, because if I will die at that time and if I will have money and I don't have any relation, so what is the what will I do for this money if at that time of when I will die there will be no with me. So
There will be no one.
yes, there will be
Even
no
not
one
your
with me.
relationships.
Yes, so in my view, relationship is very important, and there were so many cases were there at that time. In that case, money was important, but after some time, relationship was very important. In mother and son, in son case, at that time, son Mardia's son died to his mother.
Son died. Sorry.
Son was killed.
Son was killed to his mother
To his mother, by his mother.
by his mother.
I think you are talking about Pannada.
What?
The case you are talking about. Okay.
Okay, just reach the conclusion. It is not something to debate.
Yes.
Just, yeah. Tell what
In
you
that
want to
case,
say.
relationship is very important, because I will feel after some time, but not at that time. So
Okay, now
that's
let's
all.
come to Moni, please.
Okay, in my conclusion that money is more important than relationship, because if we have money, then we have everything. Nowadays we can see each and every example related to country and our family, and our system is there because of money is there, that we are making the relationship. So in my views, the relationship is not important, is important but not that much, which is money is more important.
According to me, money is not important more. Okay, because relationship is more important, because you can't purchase, if you have too much money, then you can't purchase mother. Okay, real mother, and you can't purchase your friend, you can't purchase your father, and you can't purchase your brother, like a real brother, because you can purchase everything according to me by money, but there are some things which you can't purchase. If you want to go anywhere, then if no one is with you, you will not enjoy. I think when your friend will be with you, then you will enjoy. If you don't have money, if you have little bit money, then you can eat something only, then still you will enjoy. So according to me, relation is more important than money.
Mr. Kaushal.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. You know, you have said, I will conclude it.
Yes, please.
Okay, listen, but money is more important, I think. And you know, well, it depends. I do not have anything to say.
Yes,
We have
because
already spoken that much, right? So okay, let's bring it to the end now. Thank you so much for your participation in this healthy debate or discussion. Okay, give yourself a huge round of applause.